Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can change your parent email in Animal Jam. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
First visit on parents.animalajam.com link and logging in with your current parent email and parent password. Choose Parent Profile in the top right corner of the page. Choose Update. When asked to update your email, choose Submit. Your current parent email will then receive a link from an email ending in @animalajam.com. Click on that link or copy and paste the URL into your browser's address bar. Never share this link with anyone else. AJHQ will never ask for your unique reset link. Emails that request this information are tricks used to steal your information and gain access to your account. Where prompted by the form, enter your new parent email, confirm the new email address, and then choose Submit. You will then receive a success. Your email has been updated successfully. Pop-up and a confirmation email will be sent to your new parent email.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily change your parent email in Animal Jam. If you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.